What's up? It's the boy back at it again. You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, I've been on low hiatus, after being thrusted into the world of homeschooling. Yeah, that eats up a little time, when you put in your hard 8 and then you come home doing another hard 2 to 3 to 4 and dealing with homeschooling. It gives you a sense on just how foul the school system is. Anyway, back on this grill, check out what I got going. Oh yeah, so that's what your boy got going. Straight up little skirt steak, quick little 30-minute marinade. Got it grilling up right now. I'm finishing these off. This is the last few pieces, but let me let you check out how I got it all together. Yeah. So this is how I got it started. I took some of this flat meat right here. I got 2 packs of that. It was cut it on sale. Look at that. Nice and fatty. Yeah. Then I took the juice from these limes. If your limes is a little hard, what you do is you let them sit out a minute, and then you just kind of roll, rotate, roll, and rotate, putting a little pressure on there. Break it up in the inside so it can get some good juice. Started off with a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then I tasted it, and then I filled this up about halfway, about 1/8 of a cup, and then added it in there, and then I'm gonna put that in a Ziploc bag. So I got the juice of them 5 limes with 1/4 plus 1/8 cup of granulated sugar. You just go ahead and whisk it together until all the sugar is dissolved. Don't worry about the pulp or anything like that. I mean, you want to taste it, use your own taste, your own palate, but I like mine to where it's like that perfect lime tartness, but still got that sweet in there. So I got the meat right here, and I'm just going to pour that right in the meat. Got that right in there. It's not like all fully submerged and stuff. So I'm going to massage that around, and we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. And then we're going to be back so you can check out how I finish it off on the smoke. Back in a minute. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. Let me let you check out how I got this meat going before I threw it on some smoke. Alright, so I got this meat out the bag. We just dabbing it with the paper towel. Get all that moisture off of it. It's been soaking, marinating in a mixture of 5 limes, the juice of 5 limes, and 1/4 and 1/8 cup of sugar in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. And we're just gonna dab it up like that. So then what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle it with some of this OG rub right here, that Sniffin Griffins. And this is not actually the OG rub. This is the beef rub, as you can see. Got that beef rub. So I'm gonna use this, and we're just gonna sprinkle it up. Nice liberal coating. You can bring it up high to make sure you get even, like how they do it on TV. All right, so this is how I got it together. Let's get back to that grill. Alright, yeah, so your boy wrapped it up. The point of this video wasn't to show you how to grill up some skirt steak, flat meat, whatever you call it in your area. 30-minute marinade. Lime juice, sugar, marinated for 30 minutes. Take the meat out, dab it dry with some paper towel, sprinkle it with your favorite seasoning. I recommend like an all-purpose seasoning, not something that's pretty savory with a lot of garlic in it. But yeah, this came out good. And then also, you know, I threw some bratwurst on there. Got to burn up a few of those. Had a pack in the freezer, so I figured why not. But as you can see, this meat came out real tender. Look at that. And you know, a lot of people, they say, "Oh, you got to be red in the middle." I mean, you know, that's your flavor, then go, so be it. But that's not air coming out of that. That's nice and juicy. So I just want to point out that you could cook the pink out your meat and still have something real juicy. Okay. So, like I pointed out, the meat came out real tender. As you can see, that is just fall apart, you know. That's just, and it's nice and juicy, and it's flavorful with the lime juice and the sugar. So, I recommend try it out. If you try it out on some different proteins, let me know. I'm pretty sure it'll work out on seafood, like shrimp. I haven't tried it, but if you do, hey, let me check it out. And before I forget, which I'll never forget, I want to thank the 158 people that subscribe to my channel. You guys are amazing, and it's people like you that keep me going. And those who've been watching and sharing my videos, come on back and check it out and subscribe and shoot me a comment. Let me know what's going on. Hope everybody's safe out there. You know, still on this lockdown, you know, with this whole COVID thing. And just use common sense. And, you know, make sure, you know, you're safe, your family, and just keep your eyes open and be aware of your surroundings. So I'd like to thank everybody out there. It's your boy Keenan signing out. So it felt like cooking. One.